trying to get this not ruining my phone. So you noticed from the last video, there's a screen protector. Oh! This is why the videos looked so bad last time. This cracked. It's a little screen protector for my camera. I got another one inside. Good morning, it's Saturday. Saturday, we're gonna go to the Pagoda pit bike race and try and catch up some points. I don't know, try to get in the series, try to be a big player in it. But first, we got the 190 out from Keystone. The carburetor in it, it runs good on flat, but then I start hitting bumps and stuff, it bogs out a little bit. So we're gonna take the carb off, maybe just clean the ball out, make sure there's no real dirt in there, clean her out, get her good and ready, and load up and head out. Yeah, Pagoda pit bike race today. And then tomorrow, Sunday's still unknown yet. Still unknown, but Saturday, rip the carb off, clean her out, get her good, load up, and go race. Let's go, baby. Take up some points today, huh? And just like that, locked and loaded. 190's running good, running top. We did a once over on the 110, make sure there's no loose bolts from the case race. Gas, tools, boots, because at Pagoda we had to run something with ankle support and long sleeves. So I got a flannel in there. Some of my gear's too dirty from I've been riding my 450 down the street, nothing special, in the woods with some friends. But yeah, locked and loaded. Go inside, get my GoPro, and call that it. Get on the road. Pagoda bound. Let's go. Alrighty, folks. We just got on 422. We also made a Wawa stop. We got ourselves the Italian pinwheels. Love them things. A Gatorade, and what is this? Got ourselves the C4 Skittles original. I haven't had one of these before, but I've heard of other people drinking them. I feel like it's gonna make me itch, like drinking like pre-workout stuff before you go to the gym kind of deal. But yeah, here we go. We're doing a little taste test, another little taste test. Ooh, it went everywhere. Freaking everywhere, splashed me everywhere. It's about to be sticky. Sticky icky. Alright. Oh, that's dangerous. That's actually kind of really good. Like, really good. Like, I got all over me though. I'm gonna be all sticky. But that's good. Skittles C4. We'll give that a, let's say an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10, I would definitely get that one again. Absolutely. But just be careful opening it because it gets everywhere. Yeah, there's that. So, Pagoda, we got like 20 minutes to a half hour drive, depending on how, if we get caught up behind any slow people on 422 or not. Yeah, Pagoda bound for the pit bike race and hanging out. Let's go. Here we are, just pulled in Pagoda. Look, there's the hob. You see the bus. Mini track, everybody's lined up. I'm gonna have to put the camera down and park. Lots of little kids and things running around here. So let's get parked up. Here we are, Pagoda. What up? Oh, we got the runner.
Hey,
what up?
2 practices already.
Yeah, really?
I cracked my case. What's going on, man? How you doing?
Good, you? You going fast yet or what? Are you still pussyfooting around?
Go fast.
Going fast?
I'll win tomorrow.
That's what I like to hear. We're gonna win tomorrow, Dad. What up? What up? Bikes are out. Everything's out. We're signed up. We're signed up for stock and full mod. It's how many classes we got here. No payout classes today. So we're here. Last practice going off. I didn't get the practice, so we're gonna make the best of it. Hopefully everything works well. So we're here. Let's go in with number 1 today. Let's try it. Black on black. That's the way to do it. The water truck that they had sunk into the pond is now living.
Vlog Inception.
Inception.
I'm vlogging Paulie while he vlogs my sexy body.
Yeah.
I'm witnessing.
I love the tattoos. Yeah! 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 He said we look pretty gay vlogging each other.
He said?
Yeah.
That guy just told us we look gay vlogging. Well, I can't even begin to describe how he looks driving the truck.
Right? This is just self-confidence over here. Self-confidence. First motor's going down. Stock class is 3rd mod. This is like 12th. We're out here getting ready. Shout out to Ann, Colin's girlfriend. Hooked me up with these sweet gloves from Crushed MX with the Homer Simpsons. This is my favorite part. Donuts. We're gonna be rocking them today. We're gonna take the shirt off, take my shirt off, put the flannel on, put the chest mount on for you guys. Rock and roll. Normally I put it on my helmet. My helmet got jacked up in Florida. I haven't bought a new one yet. The visor moves too much, so it makes too much vibration for you guys. So here we are, locked and loaded.
I never caught up to you. Wait.
Stock class. Just came off the track, stock class. We got 4th off the start, and then we made a swift pass down the bottom of the hill over there, and it was a good pass. And we came around first lap, and just kind of cruised from there. So hopefully we keep that momentum going. As long as Hobbin and other guys get a good start on me, then that might give me a run for my money. Or this guy, he was pulling up in 3rd, getting ready to pass for 2nd. It made me a little nervous, but. Gotta stay on the pipe. Yeah. But we're signed up for play bike. Yeah. We signed up for play bike and Dylan's a little butthurt. So yeah, we're signed up for play bike. We're going out. We're on race 8, about 3 to 11.
I got big.
every time it backfires, it pops off. I don't understand why.
So you were holding the
it backfired. I was holding the whole carburetor on.
You were holding the carb on.
Yeah.
I was wondering, I was like, man, holding something together. Look at him go.
Yeah, we just got back from full mod. We took number 1. So we battled with the guy that we raced with in Playbike. And I'm a shitty filmer and I forgot to videotape that. I forgot to turn my GoPro on for that one. So that kind of sucks. But we took a 1 in the mod class, 1 in the stock class, and second to last in Playbike because somebody else's bike broke. And I had to ride around and Playbike and hold the carb on. The carb popped off. I guess I didn't tighten this band enough. So I rode around the last lap of that moto with my hand on the carb. What do you got? We got a fist bump? There it is. Hey, we're at the racetrack or what? I didn't see it. Dirt bike?
So what all did you do to that thing?
Dampening rods, different springs, a KLX 110L rear shock.
That's it.
And a tooth smaller in the front.
Other than that, it's stock.
Stop.
That's all he's going to tell you right now, but...
I can't keep it out. just left Pagoda. We collected our trophies. We ended up going. We won stock class, and we won stock mod, and the late sign for play bike. We didn't do terrible. First moto we got 7th. Second moto we got 2nd. The first moto I went into, the carburetor of the full mod decided to pop off. I don't know why. I don't know if it was my fault or if it just got slippery or what, but it fell off, and I ended up holding it on the whole way to finish off, so I didn't get a DNF. But I guess that worked out in my favor because I got 4th in the end in the standings with 7-2. But yeah, good Saturday. So call that a win. I mean, we did win, but we didn't get hurt. We didn't fall. Nothing bad happened necessarily. So good day. Good day. Howard is having a ride day from 12 to 5, and I really want to come for Garrett's speed time. Coming for your time, Garrett. We're gonna find out, see what I can do here. Let's go. All right, YouTube. It is Sunday morning. What do we got? 11. Not 11. It's 1:30. And Hobbs having a ride day. He was having a ride day. I think it was from 12 to 5 or 1 to 5. I don't know. I'm running behind either way. So we are on our way to the amazing Hobbs house, the land of thrash. Great place. He's put in some great work. I've seen some updates. Looking ready to shred. Ready to shred. He's got the land of thrash. Keebler's out there ripping. Marquis out there ripping. More people showing up. But we're here. Gotta get unloaded. Put some real shoes on. So, let's rip, Tater Tip. We're out here. We just did lap times. Garrett, I only banged out like 4 laps, and I beat your lap time by half a second. 3.57. Where you at, Garrett? Let's go. Land of thrash. Set them up. Somebody come break the time. Alrighty, boys, there goes Hob. He's gotta do family stuff. I should have said bye, but well, I did say bye, but not recorded. So, land of thrash, good day. Beat Garrett's time. We came here to do that. We did it. We conquered. And now we're on our way home. Or maybe I might stop at friend Fry's house. We've been talking about pizza a lot here today. I'm kind of craving some pizza. So, here we are, 5 o'clock, on our way home from the land of thrash. Till next time. That new feature is sick, by the way. It's our big whips. Yep. On our way out. Till next time, boys. Wraps up for this weekend. Later.